What's the meaning of consonant? Consonant. Consonant.
Consonant. Consonant. In phonetics, a consonant is a speech sound that is made by partially or completely blocking the flow of air through the mouth with the lips, tongue, or other articulators. Consonants are differentiated from vowels, which are speech sounds that are produced without any obstruction of the airflow. Consonants can be further classified by various characteristics such as voicing, place and manner of articulation, and airstream mechanism. The use of consonants in language allows for a greater variety of distinguishable sounds and can often have a significant impact on the meaning and interpretation of words and sentences.